this would just be a quick video, but I just want to say I'm going to start making my own sound effects again, and I'm remaking Pizza Animation Part 1 because the voice acting is absolutely trash. Like, especially, like, all the voice acting's bad. It sounds like I didn't put effort into it. I'm just really bad at voice acting. And Pizza Guy's voice, looking back at it, I was like, oh my fucking gosh. So, I'm starting to make my own sound effects again, and I'm going to be remaking Pizza Animation Part 1. Just thought that was important to mention. I don't know how long it will take to remake Pizza Animation Part 1, because I'm also working on Pizza Animation Part 2. But I guess I'll see when the time comes.